What are you eating? Oh, you threw your chip? Why'd you throw your chip? You gonna pick it up? You gonna pick it up? Thank you. Can I hear your piggy impression? Can you do piggy? No! No, go show me your book. Go get your book. Show mommy your book. Show mommy your book. Go get it. Go show mommy your book. Go get your book. Can you get your book and bring it to mommy? Can you bring it to mommy? Yeah, that's your book. Bring it to mommy. Bring it to mommy.
Oh, so pretty.
Jaina, can I see it? Can you give it to me? Come here. Come on, bring it over here. Jaina. Jaina, don't you want to come over here? Jaina. No, you don't want to? Noisy farm. Pretty much. Pretty much. Go bring your book. Go get your book. Go get your book. Go get it. Bring it over here. What are you bringing me? That's not a book. That's a pillow. Go get your book. Go get your book. Bring it over here. Yay! No, wait, come back. Give it to mommy. Can you give it to mommy? Good job, Bug. Okay, wait. Show me the. Come here. Show me the piggy. Jaina, come here. Come here. Jaina, look.
Oh, Jesus.
Jaina, look. Right here. Jaina, come press the piggy. Come press it. Jaina. Can you press it? Right here? Go press it. Press it. Wait, no, press the piggy. I want to hear your piggy noise. You want to do that noise instead?